Hey there, thanks for your interest in my generic cryptocurrency sales videos. So I just want to give you a little overview of this page and how you can go about getting some or all of these videos. So on this page, you'll notice there are three videos. One is a generic cryptocurrency opportunity video. The other two are generic cryptocurrency wallet rewards videos. So these are videos designed to promote a wallet reward system for cryptocurrency. So if you're currently in a program that offers a reward for holding your Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies in a crypto wallet, these videos will work very well for you. So the idea here is that you could set up these three videos in a sort of sales funnel, or use them at various different times on social media or YouTube or whatever it is you want. But I just want to go through the options here for you. So the first option is that these videos and a lot of my other generic videos are also built into the Conversion Pros system. And the Conversion Pros is an incredible marketing lead capture system that lets you track your leads, bulk email, text message, just all kinds of sales funnel features. And so a lot of these videos are built into there automatically. So when you become a Conversion Pro member, you automatically get access to those videos and you can set them up in various sales funnels within the Conversion Pros. So that's option one. If you do that option, you don't need to purchase the videos directly from me. However, if you don't want to use the Conversion Pros for some reason, you're more than welcome to purchase these videos directly from me on this page, and I will watermark them for your needs. So for example, it could have your company name or your web address or whatever it is you want watermarked in a corner or two corners of these videos. So the first video, just a generic cryptocurrency opportunity video. The second video is a generic cryptocurrency wallet rewards video. The third video is another version of the cryptocurrency wallet rewards video, but it's a bit shorter and it's slightly different. So if you had a sales funnel set up, you could use all three of these videos. Use this first video to generate interest in a cryptocurrency opportunity. And then if you were in a cryptocurrency wallet rewards program, you could then promote that using these two videos. So these two videos here actually also have alternate endings available, so you can check those out as well. Just different calls to action. So if you want to order them directly, you can do that, and you can see the prices down here. You can select the videos or all of them. You can send me payment by Bitcoin, PayPal, or credit card, and once you submit this form, I will receive it, and I will then contact you accordingly to arrange payment and let you know when your order is completed. So again, those are your options. You can try the Conversion Pro system free for 14 days. Just click this button here, or you can order these videos directly from me and I can work the details out with you directly. So hope that helps, and best of luck with your cryptocurrency opportunity. Thank you.